Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can install PostgreSQL in your Windows 10 machine. So for that, firstly, you need to go to your Chrome browser and then write PostgreSQL. Okay, search it Google and then go to their website postgresql.org. Okay, then this is the documentation of PostgreSQL. So you have to click on download. Okay, then you have to choose your machine. My machine is Windows, so I'm selecting Windows. Then here you can see option called download the installer. Click on download the installer. Okay, then click on the download the latest version. This is the latest version. This is the previous version. With so download on the Windows 8664. My Windows machine is 64-bit, so that's why I'm downloading 64-bit. So I clicked on the download button. In few seconds your download should begin in a few seconds. So download has been started. Okay, so as you can see the download is happening and it takes some time. So after the download I'm gonna talk. So the download is almost done. It will take 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the download is completed. Okay, it is taking some time. In few seconds it will finish. Okay, so download has been completed. Now click show folder. So then click right button, then run as administrator. Okay, click yes. Okay, it is taking some time. Don't try to hurry, otherwise it will be installed. So here is the PostgreSQL interfaces. Let's come. Okay, then here as you can see the PostgreSQL. We'll click on next. Here is the path. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Username, you have to select his username. So for me username is Sazzad. Password 123456. Okay, then click on next. Passwords do not match, so password is, sorry, this both fields are password. So password is 123456. Then again enter the password 123456. You have to write the same password, port 5432, then default local, then click on next. Click on next. So the installation process has been started, so it will take some time. You have to be patient. Please wait while setup installs PostgreSQL on your computer. Okay, I'll talk after the installation has been completed. So the downloaded has been almost completed. Creating uninstaller. So it is now creating uninstaller. That's so that you can install the app of PostgreSQL. Okay. Okay, then finish. Okay, you have to select the PostgreSQL port 5432. Okay, downloading application list. Database drivers. Select the updated driver. Click on next. Click on next. connecting to the server, downloading. Okay, it will also take some time, so you don't need to hurry. You have to be patient, otherwise the software will not gonna download or install. So skip installation. Next. Okay, click on next. Okay, after completed the installation, my computer has turned off. For you, it can happen as well. So the installation has been complete.